Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I will teach you how to calculate Pearson's correlations coefficients. Of course, there is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one, by calculating Pearson's correlation coefficient, describe the correlation between X and Y. So before we do that, of course, we need to understand the associations of Pearson's correlation coefficient first. So if we have R, that is correlation coefficients, is between 0.75 to 0.99. So we have strong positive correlations. And if we have R is between 0.5 to 0.74, so this means that we have a moderate positive correlations. If we have R between 0.25 to 0.49, so this means that the correlations is weak positive. Okay, keep that in mind. If R between negative 0.24 to positive 0.24, so this means that there is no correlations. If we have R between negative 0.25 to negative 0.49, so this means that the correlations is weak and negative. Okay, keep that in mind. And R between negative 0.5 to negative 0.074, so we describe as moderate negative. And if we have R between negative 0.75 to negative 0.99, so this means that the correlations is strong negative. So please keep that in mind. So let's get into a couple examples to calculate the correlations of this table here. So first of all, we need to go to statistic mode and we choose option 2, that is 2 variable. So just let's get into it. So first of all, we press setup and then we go to statistics mode, that is option 2 in this calculator here. And then because we are using 2 variables, so we have to choose option 2, so which is A plus BX. Okay, so which is press 2. So there you go, we have X and Y columns. So let me just put X column first. So we have 10 equal 12 equal 12 again equal 15 equal and 15 equal 18 equal 12 equal 17 equal and 19 equal. So we have enter column X, that is the X variable. So now let's enter Y variables, but have to be corresponding to the X values. Okay, so let me just press the arrow across and then I press the arrow down. It brings the cursor all the way to the top. So now we have 2 there, enter 22, enter 15, enter 25, enter 18, enter, and then 13, we press equal, 4 equal, 14 equal, and 23 equal. So there you go. Now to find the correlations coefficients, so we clear the data first. We press AC button, we press shift, and we press 1. And because correlation coefficients is on option 5, so we press 5 and then option 3, R means correlation coefficients. So we press 3 and don't forget we need to press equal. So there you go. So 0.5050 and so on. So let's just write down correct to 4 decimal place. So that is 0.5051. Okay. So R is equal to 0.5051. So there you go. So the correlations is actually between positive 0.5 to 0.74. So therefore it is described as moderate positive correlations. Part B. So to work out the correlation coefficients for this set of data, so again we can just go straight to the calculator. So I just go setup and I choose option 2 and then option 2 again because we want to go into 2 variables. statistic. Okay, so option 2. So there you go. So instead of enter x variable and then y and then x and then y, so I'm just going to enter x variables first and then followed by y variable. Of course, we need to enter the y variables that is correspond to the x. Okay, remember that for me. So let me just enter x variable first. It's just quicker, that's all. So I enter 1 equal, then we have 2 for x value. So 2 equal, don't forget. And we have 3, press 3. And we have 4. So 4. And we have 5. And we have 6. Then followed by 7. And then followed by 8 and then 9. 8 and then 9 and then 9. So there you go. So now I just press the arrow across and press arrow down. It brings all the way to the top. So now don't forget we need to enter corresponding to the variable of x. Okay, so remember. So 1 will give me 2 for the y variable. So there you go. And we have 3, 4. Or you press 4, 3, doesn't matter. Both variable for x is 2 anyway. So we press 3 and then 4. And followed by 2. And then we have 3, 4. So 3, 4. And followed by 2, 6. So we enter 2, 6. And then after that we have 4. So press 4. And then we have 3, 5. So 3, 5. And followed by 4. So press 4. And then the last 2 variables is 3 and 5. So press 3 and then 5. So there you go. Now we're just gonna press IC button, just clear the screen. Then we go Shift, Stat, and then go to option 5. And then option 3 for the R values. So which is option 3, press equal. So there you go. So 0.4376 and so on, just correct to 4 decimal place. So 0.40376, so therefore is 0.4038. So R is equal to 0.4308. So therefore it is weak positive correlations. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? So let me go through it with you, okay? Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into it. So first of all, so let me just go Setup and then press option 2, that is Stat mode. And then we have to use 2 variables. So that is option 2 there. So there you go. So what I do, I just enter the x variable first. Okay, so we have 1 equal, 2 equal, 2 equal. And then we have 3, 4. So 3 equal, 4 equal. And we have 5, 5, 5 equal, 5 equal. And we have 6. So 6 equal, and we have 2, 7, so 7 equal, 7 equal. And we have 8 equal, 9 equal, 9 equal. So what I do, I just press the arrow across and I press the arrow down, so it brings the cursor all the way to the top. So now we just enter the y variable according to the x variable, okay? So the first one is 15, press equal. And then we have 11 and 14. So 11 equal, 14 equal. So it doesn't matter you put 14 and then 11 because of both variable x is 2. Okay, keep that in mind. So now we have 8. And then we have 12. And then we have 6 and 9. 6 equal, 9 equal. And then we have 12. Then we have 4 and then 8. So 4, 8. And then we have 2, and then followed by 3 and 5. So 3 equal, 5 equal. So there you go. So let me just press IC button, clear the screen, shift, and then press 1, that is statistic. And then we press option 5 because the correlations coefficients in there. So press 5 and then option 3, that is R. So press 3 equal. So there you go. R is equal to negative 0.8283. Just round up to 4 decimal place. Okay, so let me just write this down. So therefore, R is equal to negative 0.8283. So therefore, it's described as strong negative correlation. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How did you go? So let me just go through it with you. So let me just put down my calculator first. So I just go set up and option 2 and option 2 one more time. So there you go. So let me just put the height first. So 159 equal 150 equal 164 equal 172 equal 165 equal 167 equal 154 equal 168 equal 165 equal 175 equal. So I just go across and I press the arrow down. It brings the cursor all the way up. So then I just enter 59.1 equal 54.4 equal and 62.5 equal 74.8 equal 64 equal 70 equal 56 equal 72 equal 65 equal 78 equal. So now I just clear the screen, press IC button, press shift, number 1, that is statistic, and then I go for option 5 because the correlation coefficients is in that option. Then I press option 3, that is R. So press 3 equal. So there you go, 0.9641. Just round up correct to 4 decimal place. Okay, so let me just write this down. So R is equal to 0.9641. So we can describe this as strong positive correlation. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? So let me just go through it with you. So I just go set up and stat. That is option 2, and I press option 2 one more time. So I just enter X variable first. So 15.8 equal 16.5 equal 18 equal 16.9 equal 19 equal 17.1 equal 18.6 equal 16 equal 17.5 equal 16 equal. And what I do, I press the cursor across to the right and then press cursor down. It will bring all the way to the top. So now what I do, I enter the Y variable. So that is 59.1 equal 70 equal 72 equal 68 equal 65 equal 60 equal 75 equal 56 equal 70 equal 52 equal. So now what I do, I clear the screen, I go shift and then press 1 and options 5 and then option 3. I press 3. So there you go, 0.6755, correct to 4 decimal place. So R is equal to 0.6755. So there you go. So we can describe this as moderate positive correlations. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you got it correct. Bye.